So if you have multiple faces in an object, then you can drag and select them out as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and press tab on my keyboard so that I'm in my editing mode. And then I'm going to press A to select all of these. And then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to click on subdivide and go to subdivide and increase the level of the subdivision. And maybe I want to add in a bit of smoothness right over here. So in order to click and drag these out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press C on my keyboard. And once I do that, you can see that it changes around into this icon right here. But since everything is selected, I cannot actually use this. So I'm going to press escape on my keyboard, press A right here, and then click outside so that nothing is selected. So now if I were to press C, I get back onto that icon right here. And if I were to click and drag, you can see that I can just paint around and that particular area will be selected. So I can use the arrow keys to move them out. So I'm going to press escape on my keyboard to get out of the selection. Now what I can do is I can simply move this apart just like this. So if I were to go over here and then if I were to press C on my keyboard, click and drag this, now you can see that the edges are being selected. Now I can press escape on my keyboard. So if I were to click and drag this, that is how it looks. Then I can also select the face right here, press C on my keyboard, click and drag it out to select out the face. Then I can go around and then press escape on my keyboard so that I can select this around. And that is how you can select out vertices, edges or faces by clicking and dragging it inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.